Hello everybody. Today, let's see how to schedule a session in Congrea. We will be logging into the institutional or organizational account of Dr. Nelly Deutsch. It is called Congrea Live Online Virtual Engagement. So here we have three options: upcoming sessions, recorded sessions, and scheduled sessions. So we'll be clicking on the option scheduled sessions. Clicking on this allows us to see the button Add Session. Once we click on that, we'll be able to select session start time, the time duration, and the name of the presenter. So suppose I wish to schedule it for tomorrow, 22nd June. I select 22nd June 2020. If I wish to select a time of 10 a.m. and a time duration of say 60 minutes, 1 hour session, and select the name of the presenter. Here it is. If we wish to organize such a class repeatedly, we can repeat the event at the same date and time, say weekly, creating altogether 2 sessions, etc. At the moment, we'll select 1. So we won't be repeating the event. So that's it. Simple, isn't it? Check in the calendar. So it's been selected for tomorrow, June 20th. And we save the changes. So we see this session scheduled over here. If I wish to add a session for just now, I can do that too. So I will add a session for today's date, that is 21st June 2020, with the current time of 4 p.m. 7 minutes. And schedule it for say 60 minutes. And select my name. I would not like to repeat the event, and save the changes. So I can get instant access for this event. Once I finish the class, I should delete it. If I want to make changes in the date, time, or the duration, or the name of the presenter, I can edit these sessions. So thank you.